Yay. There we go. Good morning, everyone. It is July 19th, 2025. This is our semi-annual board meeting. I'm the president, Robin Kearney Frazier. We have with us the secretary, Mikey Gravely, and hiding over here is our treasurer, Matthew Frazier. Yeah, the disembodied hand. We're going to try to get through this as quickly as we can. Let's do the slideshow. Okay, Alt tab. I'm going to share my screen. Ta-da. So our agendas, we're going to go over January meeting minutes, confirm that they are correct. We're going to take a look at our budget, our events now, give a quick briefing of the 5-year outlook, go with each guild reporting and sub-guild and gilded projects. I didn't listen because I ran out of room. Mikey, meeting minutes from last meeting. Just give a recap.
Are you in the resources?
Yes, I am. You should be able to still get in there.
Darn it, I wasn't ready. I'm so sorry.
That's okay.
I wasn't prepared.
For us.
Okay, hold on. No, I need that one. There we go. No. All right, so recap of the January 18th, 2025 semi-annual board meeting was called to order at 10:15. Yes, I have really bad sight right now. Present was Guild President Robin Kearney Frazier, Secretary myself, Mikey Gravely, Treasurer Matthew Frazier, and Interim Merchant Guilds Master was Jeff. We introduced the Guild Masters for the Interim Agrarian Guild, which is Christopher Van Cleve. Crafters Guild Master is myself. Guardian Guild Master is Miguel Ibanez. Interim Merchant Guild Master is Jeff Lester. Resources Guild Master, myself, Mikey Gravely. Scholars Guild Master is Heather Rosh.
Rash.
Okay. And Technician Guild Master is Matthew Frazier. We went over our bylaws. The bylaw that Robin could not hold a guild master position, as that means she would be reporting to herself. We did discuss sub-guild masters. Robin is sub-guild master of Homesteaders and Preppers and Space Station Requiem. Service and Working Dog Handlers Guild is shelved due to lack of interest at this time, as well as the Steampunk Guild and Academy. Reports were given for operational performance, 5-year outlook. Treasurer reported of starting balance of $138.11. Our debits were $3,408.60. Credits were $3,343.70. Ending balance was $73.21. And we did stay under $5,000, which as a nonprofit, our ending balances should be low. We also mentioned and discussed that the 2022 taxes have been amended and filed. 2023 taxes have been filed, and for the 2024 taxes, they were currently being worked on, and I do believe that at this point they have been filed now. We went over old business, which is the reduction of number of events held each year, the onboarding and compliance, working on the event area still continues. New business was Operation Teddy Bear Hugs, Ren Fair of Bandera County, and the website migrating to a WordPress format. We also discussed several focus points for each of the guild, and there was an open forum for questions. Yeah, and then the meeting was called to close at 10:46 a.m.
Okay. Everyone that was present in agreement with that?
Yes.
Requiem's Events of Texas, we now have a 3-person coordination team. Myself as primary. We have somebody, I don't know that we've actually, I think Iris, I think we have you as presentation and volunteers, and Mikey's activities backup coordinator.
Yes.
Okay. Spring Homesteaders and Preppers Bazaar will remain on the 3rd Saturday of March. The primary focus for that will be homesteading skills, seed swap, living with nature, surviving in nature, that type of things. Both of them both events will have prepper knowledge worked into it because it is so integral to the homesteaders. The fall event is going to be the Bandera County Preparedness Event. That is the 3rd Saturday of September. The primary focus will be emergency preparedness, survival skill, and communications. I think right now we have somebody that's doing building a bug out bag. I'm still waiting to hear back on several others. I don't know if they're going to join us or not. We've already been told that the San Antonio Preppers group will not be joining us. They have too many events that month that they've already overextended themselves. Our 5-year outlook, we continue to improve the event area. We're about halfway cleared of the proposed event area that Matt and I have discussed. Major work will happen in fall and winter, so it's cooler and we have fewer people succumbing to the heat. We do need cleanup crews the weekend before the events. At this point, it's mostly to look for downed branches and to mow the grass and weeds. To add power up there, it is a $6,000 estimate, so that is definitely something we have to fundraise for and not going to happen anytime soon. Hopefully, maybe within the 5-year outlook, no guarantees. The proposed buildings is a storage building for Guild's property, a shack for the Amateur Radio Guild, and a classroom, and then an office space, probably in conjunction with the storage building, so that we can reclaim some of our home. Yeah. So we both have the same ding dong, so we both have to look at our phones. Fundraising, we're looking at continuing support of non-area profits. It has been proposed that we continue with the volunteer fire department of Pipe Creek for this year's nonprofit of support. We do need to fundraise for a Guild's project. A proposed fundraising is t-shirts. I would like to see a dedicated volunteer to fundraising, so it takes one more thing off of my plate. And we need additional ideas for how to fundraise. This does include the Operation Teddy Bear Hugs, so that it has been requested that not only can we do Bandera County, but to support Kerr County as well. They have the juvenile home there, a juvenile center where a lot of abused kids are taken, and they, show up with nothing. So they've requested if we could include them in it so that they can give teddy bears. I'm going to reach out to the Hill Country preppers to see if they can assist with the Kerr County. But him and I will have that discussion later. Guild reporting, we're going to start with the Agrarian Guild. It's going to be a little bit before we get to this website or any of the other specific guild websites. So Iris, I'd like to see us start looking at blogging again. And we create a document for each blog. Then he just opens up the document and adds it into the new website once he has it. For Crafters Guild, projects and blog postings are on hold until a permanent guild master is found. Mikey, you are the interim on this. We are looking for a Gamers Guild and a Master Procrastinators coordinators. Guardians Guild, it has the gilded projects and sub-guilds are on hold until a permanent guild master is assigned. Miguel and I have discussed having emergency preparedness blogs, health matters, and things that pertain to the military personnel and family. Who's playing music? Okay. Not quite sure what that was about.
Mhm.
That is weird.
Was that is
I
that from a person?
I have no idea. I think it's
Software.
Zoom trying to tell me I need to set up something.
Oh, okay.
Merchants Guild, interim is Chris Van Cleve. Jeff has had to take a leave of everything to just take care of personal matters. The Printify, which is our print on demand, is currently disconnected from the website. It is definitely outside our budget to continue to pay $500 to $800 a year for Wix when we have a website being built. When Kevin gets to that point, he will add in our Printify store onto the new website and help consolidate some of our duplicate items. Like we've got glassware that's part of a set, and instead of having the set listed, it has 5 individual listings. So he's going to help streamline that, make it look better. All of our pages, guilds, and sub-guilds that are active, with the exception of the Amateur Radio Guild, does have social media accounts on Facebook and Instagram. Guilds of Requiem does have a Nextdoor account. Hopefully it's going to recognize that I changed the email address on it, because guild customer service at guildsofrequiem.com. All of our .coms are going away at the end of the end of this month. Main website is under construction, and that puts us now at guildsofrequiem.org. We have several email addresses already set up for the .org. Yes, I'm going through this kind of fast. If I go too fast, somebody slow me down. All this information is found in our Guild Masters group. Resources Guild of Requiem is Mikey. Something that we've been doing is posting out community resources as we see them on social media. Either we share them out from that post, or we copy and paste so that we get Facebook and Instagram. Our biggest one that we've been posting out is for Out of the Way Community and Kerrville Pets Alive. We do need to remember to start sending out meeting reminders to those who are on our subscribers list, which is the main Guilds of Requiem. Kevin has yet to pull that in. And then we would probably, I think we have an Agrarian Guild list, and we have a Space Station Requiem subscription list. Scholars Guild is Heather. We're involved with all educational postings, regardless of the guild. All educational projects that are presented at the events, it all falls under Scholars. I'd like to see us aim at restarting educational focus topics, even if it's just awareness of the month. And if it Pardon?
I was actually thinking about that, starting to post every month on Facebook saying this is this awareness month. Pick a book to read and then post a quick review.
Okay, that sounds good. Remind me to get you access into the Scholars Guild the Scholars Guild profile. That way you can schedule it at your time, and okay, so you can schedule it on your time frame, and it hits not only Facebook but Instagram.
Okay.
And I was going to say awareness of the month. Just have a solid main, like it's a mental health awareness month. Do a blurb, 500 words or less. That it's mental health awareness month, and tag the guild's Guardians Guild blog is where we'll be posting more information on it. If it happens to be educational, like I think it's next month is back to school month, something like that, post, make some posts about how to get back into the swing of school, things that are helpful with back to school. I think there's a higher education awareness month, and there's a tech trades awareness month. So that would definitely fall into the purview of the Scholars Guild.
Yeah.
Technicians Guild is introducing the Amateur Radio Guild in September. We've already got a pretty good start, including a online class the first week of September. I do believe he said it was going to be like September 4th and September 5th. He has not sent me the times yet. I don't want to post anything out or send anything to people until we have them. Give me just a second here. Let me see if this was just him that ding-donged me. That's Signature Peppers. Yeah, he said the 4th and the 5th, he doesn't have times yet. He has currently been busy with the devastation that has happened in Kerrville and their area. I believe it's Ingram, Comfort, Centerpoint, and several others. We're doing what we can to support all of the agencies that are on the ground, boots on the ground, rendering aid.
So are they gonna be able to even come to September's?
He doesn't know yet.
Yeah,
Yeah, so that one's kind of on hold. It just depends on where they're at in rescue operations.
yeah,
I figure at minimum, we do have 2 or 3 people that know how to use the radios, that we will all bring our toys and we can show people the radios, hopefully make some contacts.
okay,
So that's where we're at with that in September. Sub guilds and guild projects, homesteaders and preppers. We're on target to hopefully have several good presentations. I have heard back from Texas Wildlife and Wildfire, so we should have 2 of them showing up to talk about preparedness for wildfires and how to protect your homestead or your home. And they're also going to discuss the other person. He was still unsure of his topic, but he's with the wildlife. I think he was going to discuss preparedness for like animal bites, you know, what to do if you have a possible rabid raccoon, etc. If you've got a snake that needs to be relocated, it is snake season now, so everyone please be careful when you're outside walking around, especially with piles of trees and everything else. Space Station Requiem, we have 2 new members. We do need to work on recruiting for all of our projects. We've been Texas is now its own region, so that's us and the Jules Verne Space Station. Jules Verne Station. He has put out a request for any help at the October event. He's gonna work with people on getting into the event at a lesser rate in exchange for 4 hours a day volunteer. So if that interests somebody, let me know. And of course, the Amateur Radio Guild, we're networking without boundaries. As you can see, we have 3 bullet points of communications, education, and community. We're going to be revamping, not too terribly bad this time, all of our guild logos so that they have a 3 bullet point mission. That it's visible to people right away.
like you got at the bottom there.
Yeah, like I got at the bottom here. And I'm going to try to get them all so that they all look the same. So I'm working on that. If anybody wants to help, my brain would certainly appreciate it. I believe that is everything we have. If anyone has any questions. If not, if you think of one later on, I'm going to be posting this on the Guilds of Requiem YouTube channel, and you'll be able to comment there. Plus, we'll post it out on the on all of our social media pages. So if anybody has questions, they can get it there. Otherwise, we will see everybody in January 2006.